Model, 59-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 85PS 280 short wheelbase, low roof, runs and drives great. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 240,963. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission in good condition and pulls through all gears. ABS light on the dash for a rear wheel speed sensor. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition.